So with this pumpkin which I cut, I am making this a second video. So with pumpkin we added some pulses, some raw banana and beans. So now this is a cooker. We are going to pour some water. Along with that we will put some salt and turmeric as per your taste, and we will boil in 3 to 4 whistles. Then we will see the magic. So you will get all the good benefit out of it. So you got the protein and all the nutrients from the vegetable. So it can cure like constipation. You won't get any constipation. So bowel movement, everything will be perfect because lots of vegetables are going in your food. So I am pouring some water. So don't pour more. This much is enough. Along with that we will put some salt and tomato. Even you can add some tomatoes, so it will taste much better. So this is an Indian recipe. Even you can try in your country. Even you can add some potatoes, any vegetable you like, mostly the beautiful pumpkin, raw banana, beans, potatoes, tomatoes with some pulses. You can see we have added some potatoes. Now we will get the whistle. So we will wait for the 4 whistle. Then we will close. So in the gas we switch on and we will wait for the whistle to come. So exactly 4 whistles, then you have to stop. Then we will do some tadka. After it's cooled down, we will open the cooker and you can see it's nicely cooked. We will mix it well and we will add some more water. And after that we will give the curry. So it will bring taste and spicy to food. And it will give you great aroma. So in the pan I put some cumin seed. If you have ghee you can add, or you can add some sunflower oil or olive oil. Then after that you can add some cumin powder and some chili powder for taste. It's as per your taste. Then you can put this tadka in this gravy. Then you can mix it well. You can add the spices as per your taste. Indian loves spices, so we add. It's not that much spicy because I am using Kashmiri lal chili powder, so that will give only the beautiful color, not that spicy. So you can use that Kashmiri lal, and here is ready.